The first case of China's new and deadly coronavirus.
Well, the coronavirus continues to spread at speed. This time, a week ago, there were under 3,000 cases in China.
First of all, as we know, the World Health Organization just to declare this a global health emergency.
First death from the new coronavirus outside of China.
The essential task of Minister Donoghue and I today is to give our people hope. Hope based on realism. Hope based on a plan. Hope backed up with a commitment to invest a record amount of public resources to support our economy and our society. The exceptional strength and resilience of our nation means we will get through this. And this is why we are introducing the largest and most ambitious budget in the history of our state. Everything will not go back to the way it was before, nor do we want it to, because we are committed to making things better. We do not have to look far into our history to see moments of great uncertainty for our country. We have faced what have often seemed like insurmountable challenges. However, what is common across these periods of great difficulty is that we have always come back stronger. I want to assure the Irish people that this government will do everything in its power to protect our people. Ireland will get through this. We will stand together and we will persevere. In 1963, President Kennedy stood in our national parliament and said,
"It is that quality of the Irish, the remarkable combination of hope, confidence and imagination that is needed more than ever today."
These words are equally relevant today at Ceann Comhairle. Let all of us who share this island, from wherever we come, now move forward with a renewed and shared sense of confidence in the hope of a better tomorrow.